Pandiculation, nature's way of maintaining the functional integrity of the myofacial system. This is written by Luis Fernando Bertolucci and published in PubMed. Abstract. Pandiculation is the involuntary stretching of the soft tissues, which occurs in most animal species and is associated with transitions between cyclic biological behaviors, especially the sleep-wake rhythm. Yawning is considered a special case of pandiculation that affects the musculature of the mouth, respiratory system, and upper spine. When, as often happens, yawning occurs simultaneously with pandiculation in other body regions. The combined behavior is referred to as the stretch yawning syndrome, SYS. SYS has been associated with the arousal function, as it seems to reset the central nervous system to the waking state after a period of sleep and prepare the animal to respond to environmental stimuli. This paper explores the hypothesis that the SYS might also have an autoregulatory role regarding the locomotor system to maintain the animal's ability to express coordinated and integrated movement. By regularly restoring and resetting the structural and functional equilibrium of the myofacial system. It is now recognized that the myofacial system is integrative, linking body parts as the force of a muscle is transmitted via the facial structures well beyond the tenuous attachments of the muscle itself. It is argued here that the pandiculation might preserve the integrative role of the myofascial system by A, developing and maintaining appropriate physiological fascial interconnections, and B, modulating the pre-stress state of the myofascial system by regularly activating the tonic musculature. The ideas presented here initially arose from clinical observations during the practice of a manual therapy called muscular repositioning, MR. These observations were supplemented by a review of the literature on the subject. A possible link between MR and SYS is presented. The neural reflexes characteristically evoked through MR are reminiscent of SYS, which both suggests that MR might stimulate parts of the SYS reaction, and also points to one of MR's possible mechanisms of action.